It's been said that the two important days of your life is one, the day you are born, and the another, the day when you realized your why. And when I just went through that quote, I was like, wow, that makes so much sense, because definitely the day I was born was definitely a beautiful day because I get to experience this beautiful world. And after that, we are just living through the experiences. We are just in the survival mode of letting each day pass through happily. Not even happiness matters at that time, but just it's like surviving each day. And while you are surviving through it, you just come across a moment where you start to question these survival things, like, what am I even doing now? Even though I might call it as a survival, like we are surviving each day, but in reality, the world believes in this survival. The world believes that this is how you are meant to live your life. Just making sure that you're having a food every day, you're going for a work, you're earning well. That is a perfect life that you can have. But for some people like us, it might just be a survival. We are just surviving through each day. And when you're going through that phase where you start to ask that, is it something that I'm meant to do, then that is where you feel completely stuck. You feel like, what just happened? It wasn't like a enlightenment moment, but it is just like questioning phase where you just question, like, what is this? Why am I doing this the whole time? Why world celebrated, but here I am not able to even understand it? And then you somehow stumble upon some of the video resources or books or some other kind of resources which start to make you realize that, yes, all this while you were just surviving. And from today, from here onwards, the only mission that you have right now is to realize why you are here. Why have you taken birth on this earth? And I think that is not an easy path when you are set on that path of realizing why you are born or why you are even here on this path, because I have gone through it. That moment when it came in my life, I was really at a bad place. Like, I didn't even knew whom to turn to get that answers. And I hustled a lot to get that answer of why I came on this earth. Like, what might be the reason for me to born on this earth. But I was lucky enough to get my answer. And I think that day is always been a beautiful day for me, where everything started to make sense to me. And that one day was the day when I bought a beautiful book called The Alchemist. This day I will never forget. And it's like, I think it was first of a new year. And that day, everything that I was feeling started to make sense to me. That book made me realize that, yes, whatever you're feeling is true. Until now you were surviving, but from here onwards you are going to understand what is your why. And to understand that why, you don't have to hustle. Let the life just flow through you. And I think when you're in this phase of trying to understand why, the only thing that you could do is try to build the awareness around your life. Try to build a space where you can just be in that peaceful introspective situation, where you can at least think about what have you experienced, where did that meaning come from. Now, when we are starting asking why, it is all about we are asking for the meaning in our life. And to get that answer, the only thing you have to do is sit for a few minutes in silence and just observe your thoughts. I know your thoughts will go randomly in all direction. It's completely fine. And it will take few days for you to just capture those thoughts and make a meaning out of it or make a resonance out of it. But you will definitely do it because This is what I help my clients with as well. Thank you so much for being here with me, watching this video. I don't know why I have started to shift into making these kind of content, but this content makes me feel like I was always meant to do these kind of content. Because this is how I started to understand my whole life. This is how I started to gain the meaning in my life. So thank you so much for watching until now. If you like this video, make sure to subscribe and share your thoughts in the comment section.